Hello guys! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm here again guys. Fixing my hair. Again. Wait, because I'm going to put this so that I have an because guys, I don't have like uh mobile stand. That's why I don't know guys how. Now it's already afternoon here guys, and this morning I take a bath, then only now I have time to comb my hair. It's already June guys, and it's half a year. It's so fast, right? But thank God that everything is fine, and time flies so fast guys. I don't know, sorry for my English. I don't know how to I like proper English guys. Pardon of my English language, my speaking. Because look at me here guys. Yes guys, it's already long, but this is like, I don't know guys. I can't promise you that I will not cut this hair, because hopefully if my job is required short hair, I'm going to cut this. But if not, I stay like this, like long hair. But if my job guys next, I don't know guys, because I know it's hard that all of my friends here is they like watching me like long hair like that. But I can promise you guys that in my next job, if they require like a short hair because of the job description or the jobs roles, and I need to cut my hair, guys. That's why this moment, this time, I want to take a chance. This chance, I want to take this time a chance to tell you guys that I like, it's already long now, but I I want to say advance I apologize to there's a big possible that I cut my hair, not this time, but if that job roles is coming, then if they said that it's required that it's like they required short hair, then I cut my hair, guys, because of my work. And that's it. I want to inform you first, guys, that if ever I cut my hair because of my job, I really apologize it, but no worry, guys. There's many months and years that it will grow again. But yeah, guys, look at my hair. I miss a long hair, guys, but if that job is require short hair, then I cut my hair. Okay, guys, I want to inform you first, because many of you is like my hair, my long hair, and I have nothing to do, guys, because if that my work is require short hair, then I going to cut my hair. Okay, guys, thank you for understanding, guys. I'm like, I want your understanding for that matter, because that's life, guys. But no matter what, if ever I cut my hair and like this, it will grow again. And don't worry, guys. Okay, see, it's already long, right? Thank you so much, guys. Thank you to all my friends who always commenting on my videos. Thank you so much, guys. And I always appreciate that there is you, my friend, that like watching me. And see you in my next video, guys, and my next journey in this world. Yeah, keep safe, everyone. As I always said, keep safe, and yeah, be happy as always. Just to be happy, choose to be good, to be kind to all the people around you, to all the people who's kind of you. Okay, guys, thank you so much, guys. Till next time, see you in my next video. Bye for now, because in a while I go to work. Bye for now.